Management SBM Concept, Importance, Scope, and Processes Phase 6 Odisha B. School-based management SBM Concept, Importance, Scope, and Processes. Introduction. In recent years, the focus of educational reforms has shifted from centralized control to greater autonomy at the school level, giving rise to the concept of school-based management SBM. SBM is a dynamic and participatory approach to school governance where decision-making authority is decentralized and transferred to individual schools. By involving principals, teachers, parents, local leaders, and community members in key areas of school planning and development, SBM promotes shared responsibility and accountability for student learning outcomes. Rooted in the philosophy that those closest to the learners are best equipped to make educational decisions, SBM fosters a sense of ownership, encourages innovation, and aligns school functioning with the actual needs of the learners and the local context. In a country like India, where socio-economic, cultural, and linguistic diversity is vast, school-based management provides a meaningful platform to bridge policy and practice, making schools more responsive, inclusive, and effective. Concept of school-based management, SBM. School-based management, SBM, is a decentralized approach to school governance that shifts decision-making authority from central or state educational authorities to individual schools. It empowers school heads, teachers, parents, and community members to take responsibility for planning, implementing, and monitoring school activities, thus promoting local autonomy and accountability. SBM is rooted in the belief that decisions made closer to the point of service delivery, i.e., the school, are more effective and responsive to the actual needs of learners. Importance of school-based management. Promotes participatory governance. SBM encourages democratic participation by involving all stakeholders, teachers, parents, students, local authorities, and NGOs in decision-making. Enhances accountability. With local control comes greater accountability, as schools are expected to report results and justify their decisions based on learning outcomes and resource utilization. Improves learning outcomes. Studies show that when teachers and communities are involved in school decisions, there is an improvement in student performance and attendance. Encourages innovation and flexibility. Schools gain the autonomy to innovate curriculum transaction methods, adopt local pedagogical strategies, and introduce context-specific learning interventions. Fosters community ownership. Community involvement increases a sense of ownership among parents and local leaders, resulting in better support for the school and students. Better resource management. Local management of funds and materials leads to more efficient and need-based use of resources like TLMs, infrastructure, and support services. Scope of school-based management. SBM covers multiple areas of school functioning, including curriculum and instruction. Schools can adapt curriculum delivery methods to suit the needs of their learners. Teacher management, involvement in recruitment, where permitted, performance appraisal, training needs identification, and deployment. Budget and finance, planning and monitoring of school funds like grants from SSA-RTE, school development funds, etc. School improvement planning. Schools develop and implement their School Development Plan, SDP, involving local priorities. Student support services, provision of inclusive education, addressing children with special needs, CWSN, remedial teaching, and health-related programs. Monitoring and evaluation. Schools set goals, evaluate teaching learning processes, and track learner progress using tools like CCE, continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Processes involved in school-based management. Formation of management committees. Under the Right to Education (RTE) Act, the formation of school management committees (SMCs) is mandatory for elementary schools. These committees typically consist of parents, 75%, teachers, local elected representatives, and education officials. Development of School Development Plan SDP. SMCs are responsible for preparing a 3-year SDP, including enrollment targets, infrastructure development, learning goals, and budget needs. This plan serves as the foundation for receiving and utilizing funds from the government or local bodies. Capacity building and training. Training of head teachers and SMC members is essential to equip them with planning, budgeting, monitoring, and community mobilization skills. Decentralized planning and budgeting. SBM allows schools to utilize grants, like maintenance, school grants, etc., with flexibility based on the needs identified in the SDP. Community engagement and participation. Regular meetings with parents, village education committees, VECs, and awareness campaigns ensure community involvement and transparency. Monitoring and review mechanisms. Schools are expected to maintain records of attendance, performance, finances, and share them with stakeholders. Periodic reviews by SMCs and educational officers strengthen accountability. Examples of SBM practices in Odisha. The Mo School Abhiyan in Odisha is a prominent example of SBM, where alumni and community members contribute to school improvement. 5T initiatives, teamwork, technology, transparency, time, and transformation encourage digital monitoring, school transformation, and performance benchmarking at the school level. SMCs under RTE and Meena Manch, KGBV committees, and Vidyalaya level committees are empowered for decision making at school level. Conclusion. School-based management is a powerful tool to make schools more responsive, inclusive, and accountable. By empowering schools to make decisions regarding their own development, SBM ensures that educational reforms are not only top-down but also rooted in grassroots realities. Its successful implementation requires capacity building of all stakeholders, clarity of roles, and a supportive policy environment. As education aims to be more learner-centered and inclusive, SBM plays a central role in realizing this vision effectively.